वाचायला लागलं सगळं?
हो
ते टाईम दिसत आहे का?
हो हो. Why should I leave home? The other said reflectively. Why should I leave the home? The other said reflectively. I was only going away and then to look for him and to choke out his life. I met him. He shook his head regretfully. He shook his head regretfully. He was escaped my hands. I hope at least he died. He deserved. Yes, said the astrologer. He was crushed under a lorry. He was crushed under a lorry. A stranger came to him and he wanted to know about what happened in the past, which was associated with his personal life. He shook his head regretfully. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Yes, said the astrologer. He was crushed under a lorry. The other looked gratified to hear it. The other looked gratified to hear it. The place was deserted by the time the astrologer picked up his articles and put them into his bag. The green shaft was also gone, leaving the place in darkness and silence. The stranger had gone off into the night after giving the astrologer a handful of coins. The stranger actually wanted to know who threw him into the well or who tried to kill him, and the astrologer tried to give the satisfactory answer to him in a way or other. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. His wife was waiting for him at the door. When the astrologer reached home, it was midnight, and his wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation for what she wanted. The explanation that why was he so late to come back to home. He flung the coins at her and said, "Count them." One man gave all that. He threw it towards his wife and asked her to count it and told her that one man gave all that coin to him. 12.5 annas, she said, counting. She was overjoyed. The astrologer's wife was overjoyed. I can buy some jaggery. I can buy some jaggery. Jaggery म्हणजे गुळ. मी उद्या काहीतरी स्वीट घेऊन येईल, काहीतरी गोड घेऊन येईल. मुलांची खूप दिवसापासून इच्छा आहे की आपण काहीतरी आईनी गोड करावं. I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. The child has been asking for sweets for so many days. Now I will prepare some nice stuff. Now I will prepare some nice stuff for her. The swine has cheated me. He promised me a rupee, said the astrologer. She looked at him. You look worried. What is wrong? Nothing. After dinner, sitting on the pyol, Pyol. Pyol means a pot which is woven with wire or the thread, that is called पिओल. बाज ज्याला आपण म्हणतो त्याला म्हटलं जाते पिओल. आफ्टर डिनर सिटिंग ऑन द पिओल ही टोल्ड हर, डू यू नो अ ग्रेट लोड इज गॉन फ्रॉम मी टुडे. तुला माहिती आहे का की आज माझ्या मनावरचं खूप मोठं दडपण दूर झालं. आय थॉट आय हॅड द ब्लड ऑफ अ मॅन ऑन माय हँड्स ऑल दीज इयर्स. तुला माहिती आहे का कुठल्या तरी एका माणसाचं रक्त खूप वर्ष झाली माझ्या हातावरती होतं. दॅट वॉज द रिझन वाय आय रॅन अवे फ्रॉम होम, सेटल्ड हिअर अँड मॅरीड यू. ही इज अलाइव. Why did I give up my native place and why did I marry you? Just because of this reason, that I was under some guilt conscience and I felt that someday or other the person to whom I tried to throw into the well may come and take my revenge, but unfortunately that could not happen. She gasped, you tried to kill him. त्याच्या बायकोनी उसासा टाकला आणि तिने असा प्रश्न विचारला त्याला की खरंच तुम्ही त्याला मारण्याचा प्रयत्न केला का? यू ट्राईड टू किल हिम. येस, इन आवर विलेज वेन आय वॉज अ सिली यंगस्टर. आमच्या खेड्यामध्ये जेव्हा मी एक अगदी मूर्ख तरुण होतो, जेव्हा मला कोणतंच जगाच्या चांगल्या वाईटाचं भान नव्हतं. येस, इन आवर विलेज वेन आय वॉज अ सिली यंगस्टर वी ड्रँक, ग्रॅम्बल्ड अँड क्वारल्ड बॅडली. सगळ्या प्रकारच्या उत्कृष्ट आणि वाईट सवयी ज्याला आपण म्हणू त्या सवयींमध्ये मी गुरफटलेलो होतो. कधीतरी आम्ही अल्कोहोल घ्यायचो, कधीतरी आम्ही जुगार लावायचो, कधीतरी आम्ही अतिशय वाईट पद्धतीने भांडणं करायचो. सो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल लाईफस्टाईल वॉज स्पॉइल्ड अँड देअर वॉज नो वन टू कंट्रोल अस. वन डे, व्हाय थिंक ऑफ इट नाऊ, टाईम टू स्लीप. He said, yawning and stretched himself on the piol. तो इतका थकलेला होता ॲस्ट्रोलॉजर की आता त्याला त्याच्या बायकोशी बोलायची सुद्धा इच्छा नव्हती. ही जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू स्टॉप द डिस्कशन विथ हिज वाईफ. अँड नाऊ ही वॉज रिलॅक्स्ड बिकॉज ही आस्क्ड द मॅन टू go towards north and never come back to